Hello everyone. So here is the new Excel tips and tricks. Like we have check boxes and also like some numbers z equal to 001 or something like this. And suppose if I click on this check box, it should display today's date. Suppose like this, something like this. Okay. So what is the exact formula for this? You all have to write is nothing but equal to sign and if s and b1 equal to false because if this is untick, okay, not checked, you can say, then obviously it should display blank. See, it is blank only. But if it is true, it should display now function, which means it should display today's date. Okay, and that is what we are getting. Suppose if I click on this like this, untick, so you are getting blank or empty cell. See, any checkbox. Thank you, everyone.